How to turn off sound in app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can turn off sound in application. And this is how to go about it. The first step is to launch the application just like I've done here. And so after launching the application, you will be brought to your home page, and then you'll be brought to the gaming page. So once you're on this page, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner where you can see the gear icon, which stands for your settings icon, and click on it. So once you click on it, you will see the settings page where you see music, sound, vibration. So in order for you to put turn off the music, just click on the sound icon here, click on the toggle here, and then once it goes off, it means that the sound has been turned off. The same thing goes for music, and the same thing goes for vibration. So to turn it off on again, just click on it for it to be turned on this way, and turn it off, just click on it again and to be turned off automatically. So this is how you can turn off sound in game. Go ahead and try it out. Thank you for watching.